Hello and welcome to the Ukulele Major Scales Challenge, where we're going to learn all of the major scales for ukulele. We're also going to see how the scales connect to the circle of fifths, but more on that later. So if you put your fingers over the fretboard right now like this, where the index is on the first fret, the middle is on the second fret, and the ring is on the third fret, that'll show you a general guideline of where the fingers will be playing. Alrighty, so let's play our first note. C, open. Again, ready, go. One last time. Our next finger is the middle finger, so that means second fret. That's D with the second fret. So play C, then D. Ready, C. Now D. This is Kika, by the way, and she'll be sleeping until I start playing the ukulele, then she has a lot to say. Our next note is E, and we have an open string for that, so go to open E string or string 2. And I've moved my hand down here just to show you that the fretboard is lonely right now, but if you want to be more professional, keep your hand curved and hovering over the frets. That'll be the best look, and it'll be more efficient. So give me the E again. So let's play notes C, D, and E. The fingerings here are open, middle, open E. One more time, go. C, D, E. For an added vocal warm-up, you can sing along. Next, we're going to go to an F, and that's the first fret of your E string. And remember, the first fret we've assigned it to our index finger. And let's add one more note, the G with the ring finger. So it's the first time we're using our ring finger here. Make sure it's on the third fret. That's G. Take like 10 seconds to play all those notes. C, then D, E, F, G. Take some time to do that now. And then we'll put them together. We'll play together. Usually when we play together, we play them in whole notes, which means we'll play it and then count to 4 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next note. Like that. Let's pretend this is a real classroom. Ask any questions you have down below. And let's do it. Here we go. Those first 5 notes. 1, 2, 1, 2, C, go. 1, 2, 3, D note. 2, 3, E note. 2, 3, F is next. 2, 3, G is next. Beautiful. Take a breath. Now we're going to go to string A. Play it open. That's your note A. Remember to keep the hand curved and over here. It's just that if I keep my hand here, you can't see what I'm doing. So that's why I keep moving my hand. So we have A. Then we have B on the second fret, middle finger. And we end with a high C on the third fret with the ring finger. So we're going to play those notes A, B, and C. Open, middle, and ring. Play them in whole notes, meaning give them each 4 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. A, 2, 3, 4, next. 2, 3, end on C note. And hold it for the 4 beats. Take like 10 or 15 seconds to play the whole scale right now. And while you do that, I'll add a little commercial. I did create a PDF for this whole challenge. It has all of the scales with music notation for those who read music notation and with tablature notation for those who read tablature, like the one here on the screen. And it also has the circle of fifths and the fingerings. So if you would like to download that and support this channel, I will add it on my website, bernadetteteachesmusic.org, or it's linked below the video. Thank you. All right, let's do this. Let's do the whole scale in whole notes. You can do it. And by the way, I haven't given you picking instructions for the finger picking hand on purpose. Right now I'm just using thumb, but later I'll show you a classical way to do it that's very simple and super fun. But first, let's just learn our first scale. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. C, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, E next, 2, 3, F is next, 2, G next now, 2, 3, A is next, 2, 3, B is next, 2, 3, C is next, 2, 3, 4. Nice, very good job. Now you do have a homework assignment. The homework assignment is for you to play the scale coming you back. So today in this video we played it going forward or ascending, where we're going up. Now I would like for you to remove fingers and end where we started. So that will be your homework assignment. Now in the next video we'll go to the G major scale, and I'll explain why we move from C to G. It doesn't seem like a logical jump, but in music world it makes sense, and you'll understand why when we're over there. And if you'd like to attend my live lessons via Zoom, I do those on Patreon, patreon.com/Bernadette Teaches Music. And in honor of honoring my Patreon members, I dedicate this video to Arnie. So thank you for being a member, Arnie. And thank you to all the Patreon members. I will dedicate future videos to you. All right, see you in the next one. Ciao!